Ready for your bottle? Yes. Come. Oh. Had a good sleep last night. Had a good sleep, a long, comfortable sleep. Yeah. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day in JA. I sound ridiculous every time I say that because you know good and well that I'm not in no JA. But that's how I feel. Oh, come in my Jamaica shirt representing this morning. I wish I was in JA. On this side of the world, beautiful France, it is cold. Especially in the morning and in the evening, in the night, it's cold. And I'm dreading going out to bring Tyler to school this morning. I am not taking Sarah out with me this morning because baby's home today. So Sarah won't taste this morning cold to freeze her little face off. So I'm up, baby's still sleeping. Getting Sarah her bottle. Tyler is up and ready for school. So that's what we are doing right now. I'm gonna drop Tyler to school and come back and get my workout in. Feeling a little bit rested this morning, so it should be a good workout session. But hopefully you guys are doing good. You're staying warm, staying blessed and motivated and encouraged. And make sure you guys just have a good day. Look who is sneaking up on the camera. What do you say?
Wagwan. Wagwan mayot. Wayasi mayot. Ideya panikaza mayot. Ideya paniko inside the mayot.
You're too funny.
Yeah, man.
Is he a little cute face?
Yeah, man.
Bottles all done. Bottles down.
Me.
Who is that? That's Tyler? I said, boy, you're crazy. Turn on the light. Ooh. Tyler make her so happy. Baby? Baby?
Choo-choo.
Baby?
Choo-choo. 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 Choo-choo.
Papa's sleeping. No, you guys, I'm gonna get Sarah diaper change and watch her coming for the camera. Who is that? Who is that? That's you? With your sleep mouth? That's you?
It's Tyler with sweet face. I look ugly, not sweet.
Say hi.
Mama.
Say hi.
Mama. Sarah is the cutest girl in the entire world.
Oh, yes, she is, and you're the sweetest boy in the entire world.
Yes.
Yes,
Not just me and my boyfriends.
and your friends at school.
Yeah. Like Dimitri.
Okay. And who else?
Maxon.
And who else?
Fulan.
Okay, all of you are sweet.
Hmm.
All right, tell Fitz bye. You're heading out to school.
Letter.
She said, you see yourself? So if you're having cold, your girth is making you shiver. You guys, look who is up and having lunch. And look who is working out.
Okay, I think, honey, I think what's the main difference is when I face here, like in the axe, is fine. Here, maybe.
Well, just position yourself properly. Your hand feel?
That's fine. I'm feeling.
No, your hand where you feel the pain just now.
That's okay. That's okay.
Yummy in my tummy. 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 Yummy in my in my come on, let's go. Let go, husband. Squeeze your abs, man. Right. Right. Come on, let's go. Come on. You're doing good. Come on, let's go. That's it. You look good, boy. Come on, power through. Come on, transition. Let's go. Come on. That's it. You look good. Back, go, go. You look good. Continue. Almost there through to the 20. Come on. That's it. Determination. I like that. Come on. Oh, good job. You did well. You guys, I'm taking a little break from working to start get dinner going before I pick up Tyler from school. So I'm throwing these chicken in the oven to roast real quick, and I just season them up and put some olive oil on them, and then I'm cooking some broccoli, which I'm gonna have majority of it and the boys can have the rest with Sunday Monday rice from yesterday. So yeah, that's what's going down in my lab. done on 45 minutes. Boom. Look who's home. And she hears the camera, and here she comes climbing to see in the camera. Look at her. She just wants to be in the camera. They see you don't have to come up in the camera screen like that.
Hello.
Tell them, how was your day?
Good.
Good. Why so aggressive?
Because.
Move. Look at the yogurt on her mouth. Look there. Look there. Say hi. 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 Say hi. 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 This is what chilling before bed is looking like right now. The minute she hears the camera come looking for herself, you can't let the camera turn on without you running to it. You're showing them, Marcus. Hi, hi, ha, ha, hi, ha, ha, hi, 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 hi. You just wanna clap and say hi, hi, hi.
Monsieur A sur les alphas et Monsieur O. Papa,
You just wanna say hi, 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 hi. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Mwah. Kiss you giving out. Mwah. Mwah, mwah. Mwah, mwah. 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 It's time for bath, Sarah. Sarah, it's time for bath. Not because it's bedtime.
Mama,
Come, Sarah.
here. Put on the clothes. I'm going to give you some.
Just come on top. Come, Sarah. No. Put it. Go. Drop it in. Boop. Good girl. One more. Drop it in. Go.
Sarah,
Boop.
drop it in.
Good girl. One more. Hey. Drop it in. Good girl. One more. Drop it in. Good girl. Drop it in. Good girl. Drop it in. Good girl. You're learning to pack up. Bango. Don't take out. We're packing up. No, 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 girl. We're packing up, girl. Sarah, come help mama and brother pack up. What you doing? Come, pack up.
I give you.
Come, Ty, let's play a game. Who can shoot the ball through there from here?
Oh, okay.
Sarah, leave the tree. Oh, I'm in. Oh, you lose. In Okay, your turn.
Yeah.
Yes! Yes! Hey! I lost.
You are loser, and you have no. I want the green one.
Okay, your turn. Go.
No, you are just. Oh yes, yes.
You lost.
No, if we
Look at Sarah.
if we lose, we try again.
No.
The one that moves. Look.
Oh!
I'm
Sarah, what are you doing?
Pierce attack.
Yeah, pierce attack on you see. You find out who will pierce attack.
Pierce attack.
Yeah!
I win.
Georgie.